It's for Mom and Daddy. There you go.
I wonder what's inside this box. A Colt. Can you open it? Thanks, Dad. What's that on your phone, Daddy?
Oh, what is that?
I guess you draw it and have to guess it.
That's cool. What do you think about that?
Well, this looks super fun.
Yeah, it does. Can you tell Mama and Papa thank you?
Thanks, Mama and Papa. Love you. Bye.